Thank you for visiting our channel. Today I came out to review the brand new smart Wi-Fi plug from a company called Amysen. It is a beautiful 2-pack Wi-Fi plug. So you can see that it is really nicely designed. It's nice and blue, the way that the packaging, a lot of information in the back and also in the front. And once we take the plastic off and we open the box itself, has a really nice presentation when you open it. It sits on a proper spot, and once you take both of them out, the components that are part of this is the 2 Wi-Fi plug and also comes with a user manual. The user manual has a lot of detailed information on how you're going to be able to pair this with the app that I'm going to show you guys in a few seconds, and also it's going through on how you're going to be able to connect this via Amazon Alexa or your Google Home. These are very detailed information. We're going to put that aside. You can see that the Wi-Fi plug is also created really nicely. There is a pair of it, and you can see that it has the power connection in the front and also has their name written right on the top right hand side. One side of it, it has the power button, and that's how you're going to be able to press it so it can come on or turn it off, and also how you're going to be able to pair this with the app. Going to the back part of it, it has some detailed information on with the model number and also the power supply of how much AC input and also how much it will be able to provide for you. It's about 100 to 125 volt. It is running between 50 to 60 hertz, and the lowered current that is inside of it is 15 amps max. Beside that, you can see the plug in the back is also created for Canada, United States, so you can plug it to the wall. So now we will go to the Google Play Store on our Galaxy Note, and that's what I'm using today. And I will be looking for Smart Life, and it will be on your search already. Now I have to mention that I am using some other different brands that are using same app, so that way you can combine all of them together, and these ones are compatible to the Google Assistant and also works with the Alexa, which is Amazon Alexa. So you can see mine is right now here, and I already installed it. So you have to click on install. It will take a couple of seconds for it to go through, and then you can open it. Once you open it, will tell you to register. Now if you do have an account already, which you have done before, you can just log into it. And what I've done is I have logged out. So over here, it will tell you to just go in through. Remember, we are in Canada, so I've selected a proper country, and now it will tell me to put my email address and password since I have already created one, and I will be doing that. So I'll cut this part out. And as soon as you log in, it will give you all the other ones that you have already set up. But now this is the new one. So you can see that the little signal for the Wi-Fi on this is on, and now I will go to add, and then it will tell me what it is. So there is a lot of different settings here that what you're looking for. The one that we're looking for is going to be an electrical outlet, so I will be selecting the first one, and then it will tell me to see that there is a little blinking light, which I don't have. So there is a light, there is a power button on the side, which I am going to hold for a few seconds. So this way we're going to see another light going to be blinking. And there you go. Now you can see that this part is blinking, and now we can confirm rapidly. And it says that to make sure that you are connected to 2.4 network. That's the only one that it will work with, and it's not going to work with anything else. So once you are there, you have to tap and make sure that you have to type your password for your Wi-Fi. Once you do that, it will take a couple of seconds, and now we will try to capture both of them together, that it is going to set up. So once you go around 8 or 9%, you will see that it is going to find it, and once it does that, it will go very fast through to set it up. But you should hear a little click that this is set up. Now if it doesn't, there you go. Now this is solid. You see that? Now it is set up. So the next part is going to be naming it. So since this is going to be on my lamp desk, I'm going to name it Desk Lamp 01, just to make it a little bit simple. And I will save. And then in the bottom, you will get a little part says complete. And that is it. Now it is connected. So if I have to click on it, you will hear it that this gets connected or disconnected. So now it is on. And now it is off. Alright, so now let's go ahead and show you how this really works using one of our nice different color lamp. I hope you guys like our video. If you do like it, click the like button, subscribe button on the top, comment on the bottom. Always remember to visit our own website, which is xatex.info. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and other social networking places. And thank you.